morning and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. My name is Jake King.
And I'm Ethan Pagulayan.
Mahatma Gandhi was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist, and political ethicist who employed a non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule, and in turn inspired movement for civil rights and freedom across the world.
That's right. He once said that there's more to life than increasing its speed.
Congratulations to the eSports Club Call of Duty team on winning their first match of the season. They beat Paradise High School last night with a score of 2-1. They showed excellent teamwork and communication under pressure. Good luck and have fun on the next week's match.
And another congratulations to the freshman reception king and queen, Hannah Bocanegra and Brody Cotter. Thank you to all of the freshman reception royalty. We hope you enjoyed yourselves. Another special thank you to the sophomore class for putting on a great freshman reception dance.
Now, a message from CalSoap.
Are you interested in learning on how to pay for college? CalSoap and San Benito High School are hosting a Parent Financial Aid Night on September 30th from 6 to 8 p.m. via Zoom. We highly encourage parents and students to attend this great opportunity. For more information, contact CalSoap advisors Monica Corral or Adlesia Ponce.
Today, cross country will be running at Gablin Center Meet 2 at Watsonville.
And tonight, our own Balers with a record of 5 wins and 0 losses takes on the school with 3 wins and 0 losses, Salinas Cowboys at the Pit in Salinas.
And tomorrow, our girls field hockey team will be playing at Salinas as well. Good luck.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching, and remember,
Go Balers!